This is my ice bucket challenge. Thank you for Ollie for nominating me. I nominate Uncle Nick. My pocket money goes to charity.
Okay. Ready, Toby?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah. Shall we
Yeah.
to count?
Pardon?
Want me to count to 3?
Yeah.
1.
Toby, look at me.
No.